of them cars look like they on cruise control.
I need all first round winners to the pool pavilion for your driver's meet, guys.
Man, I think I want me another one of them drink, man. I done got me another 100 horsepower because of merch. I wonder if he tuned for my car. Let him do my shit. I'll be the bomb boy. I wonder if I get a the bomb tune. What's up with it, man? They might can fix my car right. Damn, I need to find him. Where he go that fast? I ain't get to look at him that long to see how he look. But all I gotta do is find somebody with a head like that on. I'm gonna look for that hat.
Once again, man, if you want your first round,
Where he go, man?
please go to the pool court, the pavilion for your driver's meet. Go see my man Ken Smith over there, man. At the pool court right now, we got a few races already over there, man. Once again, if you want first round winner, your driver's meet is going down right now. All you gotta make these single hits. If you have a girls race tonight, come see me. We got some guys on property that will line up with you tonight.
Oh, that's who Coach talking about. Hey, Coach. Coach, you talking about the bomb tune?
Yeah,
Where they at?
there you go.
Where?
Just round up. He just gave me a shirt.
Yeah, I need it. Yeah, he gave me one too,
What's
man.
his last name? The man?
I don't know, but they pretty cool and they cars fast.
Gotta get me a bet. Can I have some of your bet? Can I give you some on the bet?
What do you mean? You want to?
Yeah, I'm going with you.
Oh no, man.
Huh?
Somebody want to money?
Somebody already?
This motherfucker's good, man. This your shit.
Yeah, you told them to look out.
I want to look out.
Yeah, and they did. Hey, if they make sure you stir it good. That's all you gotta do.
Stir the bitch good.
You gotta stir it good. That's one of the secrets, man.
Stir the
You
bitch
gotta
good.
stir it. It gotta be stirred, man. It ain't right if it ain't stirred up now. I done got somebody to go up there and give him a drink, man. I told him he gotta stir that thing up. I need that $2 store credit.
And don't forget, man, you like what's going down tonight, man. Next weekend, we got the Ironman Pro Bowl Series. That's right, guys. Next Friday and Saturday. The Pro Bowl.
Oh, he got a little leak, y'all. We ain't gotta watch him race. He got a leak. Where I needed to go, I need to find the bomb tune. If he can fix my car, man. Boy, I get one of his tune. Boy, I'm gonna be. Ooh. Uncle Ant. This is my Uncle Anthony right here, y'all. What's up, Unc, man? What you been up to? Everything good? Man, where you betting at? You ain't, who you betting with? I mean, on any race. Who? Oh, Silver Dollar. You came to bet with him? You just wanted to see what it do? Who? Which one? Who you wanted to see? Who you wanted to see today? Tracy. Yeah, I want to see him too, man. Man, he be, I'm tired of him, man. All that long taking ass, man, late coming. I can't get one day off on him, man. I can't get one day off. Can I get a day dedicated, Tracy? I need to holler at the bomb tune and get a drink, and I'm sick. They done sped tonight up. Well, I have at least. Damn, I don't see nobody with a hat like me. Damn, they done brought this thing back out. Damn, I ain't seen that thing. I ain't know nobody. I wonder who ended up with it. This car had been raffled off. Look at Johnny. Johnny want to be around. I knew he was going to be. What happened, man? Who caused this now, man? Oh, you end up with it? Huh? No, it ain't. It's his car, man. Johnny don't want to do nothing.
I'd have set a track record here.
They been wiping on it. Whoever called it, they wiping on it. That is some Johnny type shit. All that wiping, all that extra.
You can tell how clean.
All that extra microfiber towel ordering ass.
That hood.
Look, see how dog it is?
I backfired the hood one
Is that what it was? Yeah. Well, that.
Oh, Flip used to have the car, Flip. Huh? Flip used to have it. Oh, Flip was driving. Flip, what you had to do with this car, man? Tell me some history, man. What year? What year? Give us a year we talking about.
Man, you don't know yourself shit.
I don't know nothing.
I built this car.
Okay, Johnny built it. What year you built it in?
Fuck. How many years ago this?
In 2000? Did you get to race it?
Yeah, I raced it.
Did you have fun in it?
Not really.
Not really. Did you have a small block or big block?
Small block.
You had a small block nitrous, and you ain't really get to have that much fun. How many years you have it?
Shit, my daddy used to drive this car, dude.
Oh, for real? Why you didn't have fun with it? You ain't know how to make a Chevy run?
Young, man.
Oh, you were young.
That was back before y'all time.
For real?
I built this car.
For real?
What's up, Flip?
So you built it in year 2000?
This was my first race car. First race.
Okay. I'm surprised you ain't keep it then. Yeah, it's a Pinto, y'all. What's up with it, Rose? They bringing Malcolm X back up. Shout out to Low Ball Racing. Oh snap, I done forgot to plug this phone up, y'all. Let me see, hold on. I done ignored it. It's on 13% now. Hold on, y'all.